What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Hipods H2 by Tecno. I want to take a quick second to thank Tecno for sending me the Hipods H2 to unbox and review. So let's get into the video. Okay, so let's begin by unboxing the headphones, and we'll talk about features later in the video. And the first thing you see as soon as you open is the user manual. We're gonna put that to the side. You have the earphones themselves. I'm just gonna get to that in a second, and let's see what else you get. You have your charger, which it uses a micro USB charger for the case, to charge the case and the headphones. And then you also have different ear tips options depending on how big or how little your ear is for better comfort. And then finally, you have the the earbuds themselves. So let's open that up. And you have your left and right one, and then take that out. And then as you can see, there is these 2 points here that you connect your earbuds to. And then once you close it, you can just charge the case to the side and it charges your earbuds. Now this takes about 2 hours to charge fully from 0 to 100, and you can begin using them right away. So let's start by talking price. These earbuds go for $20 or around $20 depending on the promotion that Tecno has going on with them. So as of right now, they are $21.99, but you can actually get them after the 10% coupon is applied. You can get them for $20. Moving on now to battery life. Now the battery life, you get 30 hours of standby. You have 6 hours of playing time depending on the volume level that you're using. So if you're using 60% volume level, you get 4.5 hours of playing time. And then you also, when it's time to charge the earbuds, they can be fully charged within 2 hours. I also want to add that these earbuds are also IPX4 waterproof, which means that they can withstand a little bit of splashing here and there, but they cannot be submerged underwater. Now let's talk about controls, because there's no physical buttons on either of the earbuds for you to control volume, pause, play, anything like that. So this is all touch based. So let me break it down for you. So in order for you to pause or play, you just simply have to double click on either earbud. So whether this is the right one or the left one right here, either or, you just have to double click on the touch panel, which that's what they call this part right here. Now it is a fingerprint magnet, so keep that in mind because it is finished in that glossy finish. And moving on, for you to turn up the volume, you would have to go on the right earbud, which is this one, and tap it. Now if you're trying to decrease the volume, you tap the left earbud. Next, if you want to if you want to move on to the next song, you simply triple touch the right earbud for you to skip to the next track. Next, if you're just simply trying to accept a phone call that's coming in or that's incoming to your phone, just simply double tap on either earbud while the call is coming in order for you to accept it. Finally, you can access Voice Assistant for your cell phone or any device that you're using by just holding down or pressing down for 4 seconds on either touch panel for either earbuds. Now let's talk about sound quality and active noise cancellation, and we'll start with noise cancellation. These earbuds do not have any type of active noise cancellation. They do advertise that they have environmental active noise cancellation, but really once you put in your earbuds, it does help tune out any surrounding sounds around you. There would have to be something really loud nearby for you to really hear it. So while this doesn't officially have active noise cancellation, it still works very well tuning out surrounding noise once you put them in ear. Now moving on to sound quality. The sound quality for these headphones are very good, but they're not magnificent on the level of AirPods Pro, for just the simple being that they're not. It doesn't compete with that. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly earphone that does the job that you are looking for, which is just to listen to music or movies, whether you're on the go for a decent amount of time, because these do have a very good battery life, then these headphones or earphones, are for you. Especially if you're on a tighter budget with the $20, these go far. So the sound quality is very good. I didn't hear a lot of in-depth bass quality, but it's overall, I would say it is above quality of what I was expecting. Another thing I want to add is that the case for these earphones are not wireless charging compatible. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing. So this was my unboxing and review video for the Tecno Hipods H2 earbuds. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Hope you have a great day. Take care.